Need to add a new beneficiary for payments in your HDFC Corporate Banking account. Setting up beneficiaries is crucial for making secure and efficient payments to vendors or other entities. In this guide, I'll show you how to add a beneficiary in HDFC Corporate Banking. To add a beneficiary, log in to your HDFC Corporate Banking portal. Navigate to the Payments or Fund Transfer section. Look for an option like Add Beneficiary, Manage Beneficiaries, or Register Payee. You'll then typically choose the type of beneficiary, e.g. HDFC bank account, other bank account within India or international. You'll need to provide the beneficiary's name, account number, account type, bank name, IFSC code for Indian banks, and possibly their address for international transfers. Finally, after entering all details, you'll usually need to authorize the addition of the beneficiary, often through a secure method like an OTP sent to your registered mobile number or a digital signature token. Once added, the beneficiary will be available for future payments. And there you have it. Adding a beneficiary in HDFC Corporate Banking is a key step for payments. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.